I love you.
I miss you.
Hey.
Mommy, I miss you.
Where from this? Are you not my only daughter?
I know.
So why wouldn't I love you? I love you to the moon and back, okay? You've got nothing to worry. Is there something you want? Tell me, I'll be different. What do you want?
Why do you always fight with Dad?
Did he tell you that?
No.
So how did you find out? No, talk to me. What is it? How did you? Talk to me. Hey, come on, come here. Who told you that? Who told you? Was it your dad?
No.
So tell me, talk to me.
Because when Dad is sending me to school, he is always sad.
And what else?
And you people like fighting, and I hear it from my bedroom.
Seriously, I'm sorry about that, okay? You know, we are couples, and couples do fight, okay? We have our little misunderstanding, but I promise you, we are not going to fight again, okay? Are you happy now?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm
So,
really happy.
no, and don't even ask me if I love you, because I really do love you, okay?
Okay.
Give me a kiss.
Hey, madam. Good afternoon. Hey, what's you? I was like, eat you anywhere. Good afternoon. Yeah, we'll call you. With them say, if I come to boom, balance that would be any inside. If I can search it.
Yeah.
Oh, try to explain.
Now me pesa me train now.
Mandy. Mr. Man,
Yes, I.
what time are you supposed to come to this house?
What does it?
What time are you supposed to come to this
Yo,
house?
Oh, maybe before, but then no me around to be. I'm say, and I'm because coffee and some my meche. And I'm so I'm
say when akra ni nyamba, only set time uba for cry.
Yeah.
Akra no so cry when yam pom best. So there is no need saying ka obeba betina.
And I make us say me around so.
Shut up! Is it 4 p.m.?
Oh, massa.
You are supposed to come to that 4 p.m. Your hair route. What is that?
Right.
What is that?
Yanto was here now says me before na about 2 I know me ba matwe 2. And then me ba and bomba to her.
I think I may who say bia. Wa ba say we
madam
betina hasa.
Madam me dey madwuma de. Ade me mpekura ne say obeba adwuma na say bia we be so ayi late na wache. And na me na mo around here na mo soro here ya ade. Ti me wie nam so me kokka fie ansa na masa aba de meche. Ti na me ba na me wie na me kofia. Normal. Ba me nim de ntia obuafu bra.
Walk out.
Go out. Uncle out say nipa no say o ye.
Also about 4 p.m. 2 p.m. over there.
Boss.
Go out.
We chain me so much ni say.
Do it.
Da nyanto ba se me nim de ntia o rush me.
And the time and also be here.
90 na time na me betu na me ba for na me betu a.
I didn't want to get to now 2 p.m. now be here. What is that?
Na nim ya na.
Who are you?
Menya teacher ni.
So what?
Let me be fear na impokura say be oba to say me tia 1 okra na 2 okra. Eh problem.
I didn't want to get to now we're inside.
Maintain gate. Na gate ni atum.
Go out. Go out. Go out.
Hey.
Go outside.
Masa. Listen.
Mandy,
I'm here to work. Listen, boss.
walk him out.
Masa. Ason. Tie me. On fa medwuma o. And I can say and I'm obra so na mofia. Minim the reason enti am ba fear 2 o'clock. Na wo kasa kasa ni tia. Oh, do think you are.
Yes, any problem bia grandpa.
Madam there be any kasa ye.
Walk him out.
Nyakra.
Adai.
Woni me.
Brave, we any problem bia.
African to say government to say bra ye be som ni atini ze be ten. Ya ne ye wo street ni so na school sem ne teaching sem di mesa yo.
Mr. Man.
Oh, Russian Mintia says, oh, Russian me. I want to Mintia.
Do you want to see the bad side of me?
Everybody have a bad side, but if you try to put...
So why are you trying me? Go out here, you're still talking. Go out. Walk out for me.
I said, half should I say me?
So what?
Everything I will reject me, you know. I don't know the reason why I will rush me.
So you want to see the bad side?
One more problem that Anna.
Walk out.
For what reason? I'm here to teach. So can't I wait for the children?
You here to do what?
I'm here to teach.
Teach.
Go inside. Can you go inside?
Try to walk him out
Go
too.
inside.
Just say John DeMello. John DeMello, I'm only go free. Now I didn't go free.
Me cry, me dream, me.
Maybe cry, no cry, your boy, me your boy. Me be fear that which I meet you. Now all of a sudden, 91 2 o'clock, I know be there. And I teach him, my nipper Johnny, maybe you. Me never use the tuition more.
The Beyonce, me nene a cry, ne person, me husband, me wow. Into one a boy home bank.
Oh, and you can so act this.
I mean, Udet.
And you cry. My child, dear baby, so many towns and so many houses. Same cry, same say me who be there. Are they? Oh, many problem. Wait me a call. Why? But are you okay? Are you sure? Because I say you are panicking. I don't know why you are panicking. Are you sure?
Now, me drink beer.
Oh, me and you cry me okay.
No, wait.
We did it me any day. Oh, me get la ya hona. Ah, na nchachira. Ulu nchachira. E di bi kura so nye bad. Me na. E di na wo de ankasa na.
Me nye fufu onye gungu bia mo.
Mami nwura inside na de bi ni preko. Why? Oba next. Madam be okay.
Okay, no crap.
Ah, next oba next. Cause I dey why na surprise me pa. Oh, mu bi to kwada o.
Beyonce.
Bi na so okun na wada dia. Okun na wada.
Check it out. Me, yeah. But the Bema first send him, I mean, select it. Maybe but me, young by me, yes, and one or two things. Oh, the first send him, I mean, select me, yeah, me, bad, you. Yeah, okay, you let me call you back. Sure.
Yeah, Mandy. I have a good news for you. Oh, yeah.
Yes.
I spoke to my brother about the money issue
And that is a good news.
yeah, there's something behind it. Let me get on with it, okay?
Alright, that makes sense.
Yeah, I spoke to him about the money issue and he explained a lot. You know, not everything that my brother will open up to you. And I agree with you being angry. That's fine. I agree with you. And now the final solution is that he said I should let you know that this counts on him. He's going to get you the money very soon, okay?
It's not about getting the money soon. When? I need it. It's like he has changed. I'm his wife. So when I need something, I don't have to struggle with him or even agree with him about this thing. You have to get me.
Man,
like,
you're right. You are right. He is my brother. I confronted him. Right? And he explained everything to me. So please calm down, okay?
Alright.
You're going to get the money very soon.
Thank you.
And I don't want to see you fighting with my brother, please.
Thank you.
See you.
Bye. Don't get me wet.
I'm not gonna do it.
Don't.
But
Hey.
you are the sweetest thing I've ever enjoyed in this whole world. So sweet. Woo!